Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off automatic data on your Android phone. This is very annoying, and what happens like when there is no Wi-Fi, your data turn on like automatically, and without knowing it, you're using it and you're just losing your data. So it was so annoying for me, and I had to do a lot of research and I learned it hard which I'm going to share with you guys today, and I'll try to explain it as simple as possible. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing, I'm gonna open up my settings. Then tap on About Phone, Software Information, because right now developer option is off, so I'm going to show you how to turn on the developer options. Okay, so because in order to change that settings, I need to get to the developer options, and by default it is like turn on, and I'm going to show you how to turn it off. Okay, please keep on watching. So to turn on the developer options, we're just gonna tap on the build number 7 times. Okay, just gonna put my PIN number. Then so developer option is on already. So now we're gonna open up the developer options. Tap on developer options, then search mobile data. Sorry, my mistake. Search. I just type in mobile, that's fine. Scroll up. Until you see mobile data all is active. Tap on that. As you can see, mobile data all is active, and you can even read always keep mobile data active when even Wi-Fi is active for fast network switching. So by default, so they leave it on, and that's why when there's no Wi-Fi, your phone automatically goes to data mode and draining your data. So if I turn it off, which I'm going to do right now, no more switching to mobile data until I turn it on. It's not gonna go to mobile data mode anymore because I turn it off, and I can turn it on whenever I want. I can turn it off whenever I want. It's totally up to me. And I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you like this video, please consider subscribe my channel. Guys, I'm working so hard. Please subscribe my channel. I badly need your support. Until next time, stay fit and thanks for watching.